We won't just build you a new home. We will stand behind it by delivering professional service through our industry-leading home warranty. Here's how it typically works for the items warranted for 1 year. A few months prior to your home's 1-year anniversary, your customer care manager will reach out to schedule a built-to-last checkpoint to review the performance of your home through the first year. This includes any issues pertaining to the materials and workmanship covered by our 1-year warranty. As your new home acclimates through all seasons, natural settlement and moisture conditions may cause minor cosmetic changes in your home, such as nail pops, caulk separations, door movement, and drywall cracks. Because these cosmetic items have a one-time warranty, it is best to wait for these changes to occur and address them all at once. The Built-to-Last Checkpoint. Please rest assured these are normal occurrences associated with a brand new home, and we employ the same quality standards to ensure that your home is built to last. During your Built-to-Last Checkpoint, your customer care manager will review any questions or concerns you've noted regarding the condition and performance of your home and arrange for any warrantable repairs. Please refer to your new home limited warranty to learn more about your home warranty coverage. Also, please keep in mind that certain modifications to your home after closing could impact your warranty coverage. We always recommend you reference your warranty before making any such modifications. If you were ever uncertain about an issue with your home, feel free to reach out to your customer care team with any questions. Our team is here to help support you, and as part of our build quality experience, you will receive a survey after this meeting to provide us with your feedback.